Hello, I'm the Trash Man. I'm going to show you how to replace a seat switch on a GMC and a Chevy Yukon. It is a 9/32 screw. Take that out. Pop her out. You're going to need to pop this cap off right here that's sitting on top of this gear for your lumbar support. And apply pressure equally on both sides until you snap it off. I don't want to do that on camera because it's very violent and you'll think you broke it, but it's fine. It's no worries. After that, you're going to pop the seat out a little bit. Switch is right here. All you have to do to get this cap off, pop this off. It comes off real easy. Cap's off. Just a nice old plastic cap. This switch right here should be a little connector. You need to pull this part off right here on the back. So usually you should be able to pull this out and then press and depress this clip. On right here, you see on this side, right there, you should be able to depress it sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't want to come out. Just push it in, pull it out. The old switch, looks like the buttons stayed in. These are held on by a small retaining clip. In order to get these out, you just need a little bit of force, a little bit of prying motion. Right here, there, and right there. Pop her out, and then do the same thing on the bottom. Until she pops out. Go. Assembly's out. And it takes a little bit of work. Take a look at the old assembly. The actual switches, they get sloppy and worn down. On the new one, will actuate correctly. You can almost hear as they click. And while internally these contacts are still probably good, it's these buttons and these triggers and these switches right here on the outside are what wear down. They wear out, I'd say, probably after about 5 or 6 years. You plug it back into here. Apparently, too, after doing some more research on these, for these 6-position switches, there's no left or right switch for them. The switch direction is controlled by this harness right here. On the 8-position switch, there is actually a left and a right side switch that you need to get. However, this 6-position switch is bi-directional. So as long as you plug in the right harness, it should actually be able to translate the controls to this switch. And if you see right here, pop in the new harness, plug her in. Let's see, pop the cover on. Up, down. Controls are translated correctly. You actually have actual control over the switch and the seat. So sometimes people think it's like the seat motor or it's something wrong with the rails, but the most common fix you can have on these is just to replace this switch. It's one of those things. GM doesn't have some stuff that doesn't break, but they do have a lot of stuff that's wear items, and I would say that the seat switches are definitely a wear item.